Friday evening. What a nice smile you got. I don't know you anymore. Staring in the mirror. Quarter past 8 o'clock. Singing. You don't know me anymore.
Yesterday I reminisced for a little while. I used to stare up at the stars as a little child, and everywhere I went I always wore a little smile.
And how you feel now?
Feeling like I'm in denial,
oblivious to the chaos I played on. All them sunny days and blue skies, singing out the same song. Thinking about the rainbow, not thinking about the rainstorm. Thinking about my Lego, not thinking how to stay strong.
Yeah. At nighttime mama used to whisper in my ear lullabies of a prince so crystal clear. But as I slept, those eyes started dripping tears. We broke the bank 5 times in a fiscal year.
We were kids then,
young bucks,
living life,
having fun.
Every day's a chance for the things that you haven't done. I wouldn't trade it for the world if I had known. I couldn't stay forever young, so I had to go.
Staring at your picture on a Friday evening. What a nice smile you got. I don't know you anymore. Staring in the mirror on a Monday morning. Quarter past 8 o'clock. Singing. You don't know me anymore.
I left home that night, alone as ever, and stepped outside into a cold December. See, this harsh world does damage to a young soul, but as I grew I learned the lessons of the untold. I would chill with these dudes who were like elders, man. So by 14 I was selling grams, and if I ever even thought I didn't know enough, I found the answers in a bottle. I was growing
you
up.
Should've seen me stress-free, drinking in the park again. A 40 or OD, we drink it like it's water, man. At 16, this is all that I need. A 16, couple friends ain't a problem for me. The simple life, simple.
Enfrente de mi casa, ¿no? Ese sí se pasó de loco.